Hey Zabi here, welcome to the video. So very excited here because I made my first sale with my secret, right? I started this experiment on 19th and today is 21st, that is day number 3, and I'm yet to send the third day email, by the way. All right, so let's just take a look at the results first. So this is my account that I'm logging in, so let me just log in really quick here. Okay, and I have sent this, so you can see 2022 it was my last email like 3 years ago, and I started a couple of days ago, that is on 19th, and 20th yesterday I sent an email as well. So if I go to affiliate section, and you will be able to see I have made sale here. Okay, someone called Kaigro has purchased it on 20th, that is yesterday, and I made $5. It's like the easiest $5 that I've made ever. So if I go to click on downline here, and you can see upgrade members 1. Okay, so if I click on it here, so you can see this is Cynthia Fogg who purchased from me, and this is the source, which means this came from MLGS, and it's on 19th and it's on 6th month, that is June. Right, so that is pretty good. Now if I want, I can actually go and click on my leads. Let's just find where this lead came from. So if I click on here, and I can download, I actually have a lot of leads here, so download all lead from all pages. So let me just click that, and I think an Excel file will get downloaded. Yeah, that's it. So here's that CV file, and as you can see, there are a lot of leads because I did use MLGS like 3 years ago, so I have few leads from that time as well that I can download. So what was the name again? The name was Cynthia Fogg, right? So if I copy this and Control F, let me see if I can find her. Find next, we couldn't find. Okay, right, first name and last name is different, so yeah, wait, let me just search for Fogg. Right, if I click on find all, there is 19 sales found, so let me just go Fogg. This one is Michelle Fogg, that's not the right Fogg. Jason Fogg, nope. Ang Fogg, and the last, yep, that's the one. So Cynthia Fogg right here, if you can see, and I got that lead like way back in 2022. So she opened my email, and what I can do is I can go and click on this button here, this cell here, and I can get actually her Gmail or whatever email that she has, and I can contact her and persuade her to join this Facebook group where people are sharing their results and such. So if I click on the newest results, new post on this group here with MLGS, so Vihan Desai has made 6 CB sale, that's ClickBank, came through one account 90. So he got 6th sale with one MLGS account. I also have one MLGS account as well. Tim 7 hours ago actually got 1 sale for Warrior Plus. He didn't show the amount here. David Pinto a day ago, update on ClickBank journey for the month before you all ask is from one account. My aim is to purchase further, but things are looking positive. So in one account he had made $190 on ClickBank, and the cost of that one account is $30 per month. So he's generating pure cash flow, and that's what my aim is to. And the thing, how you are going to get profit is sending good emails. Okay, so if I go to the mailing system, let me just show you the process. Right, I actually have to show the process anyway. I noted that down. So what I'm going to do is, what you need to do is you need to select all, click that, it will take into the right side. That means it has selected. All right, now if you want to use old emails, you can use that, but I'm going to I know how to write emails nowadays. So what I can do is I can use an email that I created. So if I click on it, my $1 business in a box, I am intentionally using that here just to stand a little out, right? And now I have to delete that. I delete that, and I will copy paste right here all the, okay, copy and paste. Awesome. Right, as you can see, I am promoting my lead gen secret itself, okay, for next 7 days, next 4 days more, and then we will see if I will continue doing so. Okay, and since this is a recurring $5 per month every month, so if I make like 6 sales using this, that's my cost covered. Okay, and I will help giving my emails to them so that they can copy me. Okay, if you want to join, you can join too, and I will give you these emails. But right now this is just day number 3, so experiment is not exactly a success, but it's still great result. I made my first sale in 2 days, right? I don't expect everyday sales. I don't expect sales every 2 or 3 days too. I expect at least 1 sale every week. So let's see how it goes, right? First sale I already made. So what I have to do is I will just, you can see the process, like very simple. Step 1 is just open the mailing system. Step 2 is just send email. That's it. Right, if you join MLGS, so what I have to do is, let me just go here, and as you can see, this is how I am adding the source. So today's date is 21st. I already have this one here, 21st here. So let me just, the system I use today is called myleadgensecret, and I will hyperlink that. There it is, and I will paste it here. Target, it would be blank. Okay, also awesome. Now I will actually bold that out, and then here is how it works. I will bold that out too, and then the entire system, no text skills, no website needed. Yeah, that's good. And yeah, I have to add it here, right? If you join MLGS here, I have to add the source here as well. So what I will do is, this is today, and I will add PS link, right? So that I know that it came from this PS link here. Alright, so I will add PS section here. Alright, so that's what I'm doing for this email for today. So I have to click perfect timing here, and I will click on preview to see if it actually works. So if I click on it, yes, I don't have to click. This is it is working. I can see the link down here. If you join me, yeah, that's working, and that's working, and I don't have to do everything. Everything is fine. Yep, and I will click on send. Alright, your message has been queued. You should be able to view the statistics page in a few moments. So if I show you the statistics page as well, so if I click on statistics, you can see the open rate and the click rate of MLGS. As you can see, I have got 55 clicks from here, but you know, take this with a grain of salt, because you know, I know that stats are a little bit exaggerated, but still a result is a result. And that's what I'm doing here. That's what I'm doing in this experiment here. And if you want to watch my previous video, I will leave I will actually create a playlist and leave the link to that in the description, so you can go ahead and watch that. And now I will create day number 6 or day number 7 update, like after 3 days. And if you want to follow along, please care to subscribe, and if you have any questions, let me know in the comment section, and of course like the video. I will see you in the next one. Cheers.